Hello YouTube, what is the best food to satisfy your hunger? The feeling of satiety from eating is the criterion that you need to pay attention to when compiling your diet. If after eating, we feel full for a long time, then we feel less like snacking and thinking about food. So you can more effectively regulate your diet. This will positively affect our health. For a long time there will be a feeling of satiety, cheerfulness and activity. It also encourages you not to overeat. In addition to the fact that you should chew food thoroughly, not be distracted while eating, you also need to determine which foods and in what combination saturate you better. And as practice shows, certain foods, although taken in the same calorie content, will give a different feeling of satiety. A portion of one product is well saturated, for quite a long time a person may not feel hunger. And another product of the same calorie content can cause the desire to eat an elephant. I will not go into the physiology of this phenomenon, but pay attention to what you will eat and when you will have the opportunity to eat next time. Which food gives you the longest feeling of fullness? Containing a large amount of protein, meat, fish, poultry, eggs, legumes. Fats included in the product. We use them in the form of vegetable oil, nuts, avocados, butter, lard. The food is rich in fiber. The more fiber in a product, the more satiating it is. Its high content is all cereals, mushrooms, nuts, legumes, beans, lentils, chickpeas, green peas, beets, carrots and other root crops, various types of cabbage. Portion size is also important. Pay attention to this. If you choose the right foods for your meal, but the serving size is small for you, you will quickly get hungry. So don't just use foods that make you feel full, but consider your portion size. Back in the 90s, an experiment was conducted. People were given different foods with the same calorie content and watched how they caused satiety for a long time. As a result, the saturation index was derived. It has been proven that foods high in protein, fat and fiber have a higher satiety index. And although the satiety index cannot be considered a universal solution, using foods with a high index makes it easier to create a menu in order to feel full for a long time and consistently. The infographic shows that a serving of boiled potatoes gives 3 times the saturation index as a serving of white bread of the same calorie content. Although under the current circumstances, organizing proper nutrition can be difficult, and sometimes impossible. But you must eat. Try to take into account the characteristics of your body and make healthier food choices. Take care of your food, yourself, your loved ones. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.